Yeah, it's back again. Yep, as you can see, there's the fender, there's the front half. Probably not worth saving, but you know what, I don't have $100 for a factory Honda Fender. I decided to do the front half like this, then I'll take that strap off and try to adhere the front to the back half. This thing is horked, but yeah, it's all cleaned up, mud off of it, it's all scuffed. Hopefully this stuff's gonna get sticky, but you can see this particular crack here, I can't even push that together because they drilled the hole and bolted it. They actually spread the plastic right here, so this won't touch anymore. So I'm gonna work on the middle crack here. Where am I filming? Where am I filming? Oh, there we go, there's the middle crack, jeez. And then this side's gonna be a nut, because you can see right here where the fender hit, this is actually bent. It didn't break, but if you can see the divot right there, you can see the divot. This should be straight, like this side. This side is straight. This side has a bend in it, so it didn't crack. This part here actually tore. It did not crack, it tore, so it probably stretched the plastic and stressed it a little bit, so I gotta try to work on that. But yeah, there's the progress. Till next time. Wish me luck.